Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to turn off Discover on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat on your device. Now when you swipe right or tap on the Friends icon, you will see these die cover videos. You'll be able to see all of these Snapchat stories or all of these Snap videos right over here, which is actually the Discover page. These are random videos from various pages, TikTokers, influencers, etc. Now if you want to completely disable this on Snapchat, unfortunately, there is no way you could permanently turn off Discover on Snapchat. This is actually the feature and in-app feature of the Snapchat itself, so you will not be able to completely remove the Discover section. It is not possible. Now if you're not interested in a particular video, what you can do is tap on it, then tap here. You will see Report option. Now if you think that content is not actually up to you, or is something that violates the community guidelines, you could actually go ahead and report the video. Now Snapchat will ask the reason for reporting it. Tell them the reason. Another way to get rid of these videos is simply long press on it. And at the bottom, you have to be given multiple options, but you can see those two options in the red text, which is to either report it or to hide it. If you are personally not interested in seeing that particular video, you can tap on Hide this user right over here. It will completely hide the Snapchatter in the future on your Snapchat on this Discover page, so you can go ahead and repeat the process for every other users or every other creators on the Snapchat app. However, you have to understand that there is no permanent solution to turn off this Discover in Snapchat, because this is an inbuilt feature, and you don't have the rights to customize the inbuilt feature of Snapchat. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.